What's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm bringing you a quick unboxing of the Tein Flex A coilovers for the Subaru WRX platform. All right, everyone, so we're gonna give you a quick unboxing on these Tein coilover springs, and they're gonna be from my buddy's aunt's WRX. I did a quick video on my channel of his WRX. If you haven't seen it, there'll be a link for that video down below. So we're gonna be doing this unboxing of these coilovers, and then after Anthony gets them on his car, he'll be able to give me feedback so I can let you all know. So let's go ahead and get to the unboxing. So
it's your boy Anthony. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on the channel of What's Your Forte.
Yeah, do what he said, or we're gonna come get you.
It's all good.
All right, so.
All right. Packaging's a little bumped up, but hopefully the coilovers aren't. That's really all we can hope for, I guess, at this point.
And they're green, so they match the accents on the car.
Yeah, no, we're gonna see it. It matters. It's the little things, guys. Little things. All right, so this are the Tein Flex A coilovers. These vary from the Type Z because it has a hydraulic bump stop. That'll kind of help out. I saw online that these come with a bit of rally heritage, and I figured, you know, with a World Rally experimental car, might as well try it out. All right, here are the things that are gonna break my knuckles probably when it comes to lowering and raising this car right here. Sweet set of stickers, some keys, some sort, and instructions in Japanese. So seems legit.
That's actually
legit.
It's actually pretty thick ones too.
Oh, this is a full-on actual three-dimensional emblem. This is what we call fancy.
All right.
All right. And let me get the other. Those two out. All right, that's everything. Oh, probably.
Maybe.
Maybe.
Uh-oh.
These look like they belong to probably these two.
Oh, they're probably capped so they won't tear the box up.
Yeah, you know, would hate to see this box torn up. That would be a travesty.
Although it is a little, looks like rats ran through it, but you know.
Well, the controllers still look new. Once again, thanks for looking at the unboxing of the Tein Flex A coilovers. Hopefully we're going to try to get them installed this weekend and give you a review on how they ride.
Yep, and just to make sure everyone knows, for people that haven't seen coilovers, if you can let them know which ones are the fronts and which ones are the rear again, just for the newbies out there.
These are going to be the fronts of coilovers. These are going to be the rears. The adjustable dampening will be up here, as well as you can see the pillow top as well. They even give you lettering to help out for those who are unaware what side that this is even supposed to be on.
Yep. There you have it. They make it easy. It's almost dummy proof. Now it's just getting them on. Almost. All right, everyone. Like I said, we're going to get these installed on Anthony's car this weekend, and then we'll be able to come back and let you all know how they ride and how they work. All right? So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Like, subscribe, comment, hit the notification bell. Follow me on Instagram. Follow Ant on Instagram. Black Lax. Follow everybody. Do what you got to do. All right. We'll holler at y'all later. Peace.